Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to check the frequency response in your Garmin GPS. Uh, you know, each speaker has a natural frequency that the speaker, if it goes defective, it will make weird vibration in that particular frequency. So the speakers are designed that in any frequency, it should, basically go up and down and not hit the magnet or the front grill, uh, or make any weird vibration or anything to that nature. Natural frequency is something that happens all around us. You could see bridges, cable, supported bridges could get destroyed in natural frequency. As a matter of fact, you could search that video on YouTube, cable bridge destroyed by its own natural frequency. So because of that, we need to check our GPS response in every frequency to make sure that GPS is operational and it works with every frequency and not just the ideal frequency that we subject the GPS to. So here's how we test. This particular test is done on a Garmin Nuvi 2360. However, the procedure is the same on most Garmin GPS units. Basically, this is how you do it. Okay, so let's look at this. This is our Garmin. In order to go to the advanced diagnostic settings, put your finger on the battery icon and hold it there until you get to the diagnostic screen. So I'll put my finger there, my nail. I'll hold it there. Don't let go. Just keep it there and wait. Now we have the diagnostic screen. In the diagnostic screen, there's a lot of important information here that you can see. You can see, what kind of battery capacity you have left, temperature, how hot is the GPS, everything you can see, the external power voltage, the battery voltage, if it's running on battery, if the battery is holding a charge or not. All those things are written here. Now, this is not where we do the testing for sound. We go to next. And next, this one right here is the test, or I should say the info of the memory card. In this case, it has 8. This is the internal memory, I believe. The memory card will be the next. 8 gigabyte in this case. Okay, this is the data card, which is the memory card. The SD card. Test for the SD card. This is the audio test. So basically, you could play any audio here, and also you could do a frequency test. So we hit frequency, and right here we enter the frequency we want to play and click on start. So let's say we want 470 hertz, volume at 100%. Okay, let's start. Okay, so if there is an issue with our speaker, Garmin speaker, it will vibrate funny at this low frequency. Let's go lower. Let's see if we can go lower. Let me lower the volume a little bit. Leave it at 49% and start. Can you hear the hum? Anyways, so this is the idea. You enter the frequency you want, and then you press start, and here you change the volume. Here you go frequency up, frequency down. Here you manually enter the frequency. Let's say I want it to play 2000 hertz. That's 20. Okay, excuse me. Clear. I want 2000, not 20,000. There you go. Okay. Anyway, so you get the picture. You know how to get it done, and you could simply turn it off or go next if you want additional tests. Bluetooth test you can do here. You know, this is the screen test. You can do color test of the screen, and you will be back to the same color test. All kinds of screen tests. Orientation. Okay, you can calibrate that. This is accelerometer test, so you know the X and Y and all that, but this is back the main screen, and you could exit from here. The unit will basically restart and load as normal. Okay, so now you know how to do a frequency test in your Garmin Nuvi GPS. Now this was done in a Nuvi 2360, but it applies to almost all Garmin units. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.